Welcome back, guys. Today we're unloading the dishwasher. First, you need to check the signal. Make sure it's on clean. Second, you're going to pull out the top shelf and dry everything off with a towel. And then repeat on the bottom shelf. Dry it as best as you can. Step 3, we're going to take out some matching items. I'm going to start with the plates. So I take out all of the plates. Step 4, we're going to put the items away. Take a look inside your cabinet to make sure that you're putting the items in the correct spot. You may need to move some items around to get it in the right spot. Close the cabinet when you're done. While you take out the items, we want to make sure that our dishes are clean. So take a look at every single item you pull out to make sure that it is clean. Oh no, I found a knife that's still dirty. Set it aside so that you can either wash it by hand or put it back into the dishwasher. Again, we're going to match all of the items. Silverware is especially tricky because you have small spoons and big spoons, small forks and big forks, and knives. So make sure you put them in the correct location by looking at what's already in there. Keep going with this process until the whole dishwasher is unloaded. Start by pulling out matching items, checking if they're clean, making sure they're dry, and then putting them away. Continue putting them away. Sometimes you might need to dry some extra dishes. Taking your rag and cleaning them off until they are all dry. We don't want to store wet dishes. Keep going until your whole dishwasher is empty, like this. Great job!